Hi everybody, today I will show you how to create a WhatsApp channel. So let's begin. First open WhatsApp and tap the Updates tab at the bottom. You'll see a channels section in there. Tap on the plus icon or find the channels below. Now, here, if you scroll down at this page, you will see an option to create a channel. Just click on the plus create channel and click continue. If you don't find that option, just scroll at the bottom of the page and you will see it there. So tap continue to get started. First, add a name for your channel. This is what people will see when they find or follow your channel. Then, enter a description and you can also click on the camera icon here. Choose an icon for your channel through your camera, gallery. You can also choose an emoji or a sticker for your channel's icon, or you can search web for a good icon. So I'll click gallery. I'll select a picture, click done. Once everything is set up, tap create channel. Now, once you click create channel, you'll be taken to another page where you can invite your followers pretty easily. Just select the contact that you want to invite to your channel and click the tick icon at the bottom right. Now, click send. An invite will be sent to the people you're adding and your channel will be live. Now you'll be taken straight into your channel where you can start posting updates, photos, videos and polls just like you would in a regular chat. Everyone who follows the channel will receive your updates, but they won't be able to reply, and it's a one-way broadcast. Now to share your channel with others so they can follow it, tap on the channel name at the top and click share icon. So that's how you create a WhatsApp channel. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.